What's going on, YouTube? First job I got for today, man. We got a 1991 Chevy Blazer with a 4.3, man, a no start. Got a good battery. Just hooked the battery. Customer bought a battery. Truck's been sitting for a while and it wouldn't start. So he bought a new battery and put it in, and we still couldn't get it to start. So we pulled the breather off and we shot a little fuel in the throttle body, and it started right up, man. So we went to the back and I got my test probe and we tested the wires to the fuel pump to make sure that the wires was getting fired, to make sure the fuel pump was getting fired. And it was indeed getting fired, man. So the fuel pump is going out on this thing. It's not sending any fuel to the throttle body up front. Came over here to the side and I already started taking the fuel lines loose. Fuel lines, the return line, and the filler neck hoses. Got to get this tank down. So we're gonna get this tank down, man, and get that fuel pump out and get the new one installed. I called the nearest O'Reilly's. They have it in stock. They don't have the whole fuel pump assembly. Just had a fuel pump itself for about 30 bucks. And that's the only one they have in stock. So we'll go and pick it up and come back and put it in. And to get that tank down, you got a gas tank cover. It has about 9 screws in it. You got those fuel lines above that I showed you guys. You can see them right there on the side of the tank. The filler neck hoses, and you also got the hide in the ground wire going to the fuel pump. And you also have these two straps to hold the tank up. You got 2 screws here. And you got 2 more on the back side back there. If you can see it right there, I'm not sure as you guys. I'm sorry about that, guys. I don't have my light right here with me. Just wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to leave that out of the video, how to get the tank down. And we'll be back shortly. I'm back, guys. I got that fuel sending unit out, man, and that thing is all rusted out, man. Rusted out bad, man. As you can see, the tank is down. Man, that tank is terrible inside, man. It's rust everywhere, man. Peeling, metal peeling. So what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna pick up a new tank. We're gonna pick up a new fuel sending unit. And we'll go back together with it on Monday. Today's Saturday, so I have to go and pick up the tank. So that'll be another video. I upload part 2 with the new tank, the new fuel sending unit. We'll clean the lines out, new fuel filter, and we should have this thing back running Monday. All right.